Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you remember, a couple of days I uploaded a video showing different about the stock hypermotard and the full accessory hypermotard. In this case, I want to show you the result about the stock one. Now it's not a stock bike. I'm gonna show you everything I installed already in the bike, and let me know what you think in the comment. If you like the upgrade we made to this bike, just let me know down in the comment. And remember to subscribe, make a little like, this is good for me, and let me show you the bike. See you soon, guys.